Imagine a dark, enigmatic rock hurtling through space, the kind of object that, if left unchecked, could rewrite the fate of our planet. Tonight, we journey into the mysterious depths of space exploration and reveal why NASA deliberately targeted an asteroid. Stay with us as we unearth secrets, delve into scientific breakthroughs, and accompany the mission that could change everything you thought you knew about cosmic threats and human ingenuity. In the vast emptiness of space, celestial bodies drift in silent orbits, carrying with them the potential to either enlighten or endanger life on Earth. NASA's decision to target a specific asteroid was not made on a whim. It was part of a calculated effort to understand, and possibly mitigate, the potential impact of near-Earth objects. This mission, shrouded in secrecy and marked by a series of suspenseful decisions, served as a test of both our technological prowess and our resolve in the face of cosmic adversity. The asteroid at the center of this mission was chosen for more than its intriguing composition. Analysts predicted that by studying its behavior and structure, humanity could gather invaluable data on how to deflect future threats. The mission wasn't just about observation. It was a bold experiment to test deflection strategies that could one day prevent an impact event. As we peel back the layers of this enigmatic project, we will discover the scientific and strategic reasons behind NASA's daring choice. What makes an asteroid a candidate for a deflection mission? The answer lies in its composition and trajectory. Scientists have long known that asteroids can be composed of metal, rock, and ice, components that not only provide clues about the early solar system, but also dictate how these space rocks behave when interacting with forces such as gravitational fields and kinetic impacts. The targeted asteroid was not chosen because it posed an immediate threat to Earth. Instead, it was selected for its potential to act as an excellent proxy for studying the dynamics of impact events. By attempting to alter its course, researchers could glean how such interventions might work on a larger, hazardous body headed our way. The experiment was designed to verify theoretical models that predicted how kinetic energy would transfer between a human-made object and the drifting space rock. In doing so, NASA aimed to fine-tune the very techniques that might one day save our world. As the narrative unfolds, we find ourselves on the cusp of merging the realms of high-stakes space exploration with life-or-death planetary defense measures. The scientific rationale was simple yet profound. By understanding the impact of a human-induced force on an asteroid, we could prepare for the worst-case scenario, a collision that might otherwise spell doom for life on Earth. Picture this: a lone spacecraft, racing against time and the unknown, approaching a tumbling asteroid in the pitch-black void of space. The mission, filled with high stakes and pivotal moments, felt like something out of a sci-fi thriller. Yet, every maneuver was rooted in cold, hard science. Engineers and scientists planned every detail meticulously, knowing that even the smallest miscalculation could lead to unintended consequences. The mission's execution was akin to a high-wire act performed without a safety net. Each moment packed with the tension of possibility and risk. The spacecraft's journey toward the asteroid was fraught with suspense, as controllers back on Earth monitored its every move, their eyes fixed on a future that hung in the balance. In the midst of cosmic silence, the spacecraft executed its final maneuver, a calculated impact with the asteroid's surface. The collision, while controlled, unleashed a burst of energy that many observers found both humbling and terrifying. In that moment, the experiment transformed into an event with profound implications, symbolizing humanity's tenuous relationship with the cosmos. The aftermath of the collision was both scientifically illuminating and a stark reminder of our vulnerabilities in the cosmic arena. Instruments aboard the probe and remote observation platforms captured a wealth of data that scientists eagerly dissected. Did the impact succeed in altering the asteroid's course? What did the energy transfer reveal about the internal structure of the asteroid? And perhaps most importantly, what did all of this mean for the future of planetary protection? The data collected painted a multifaceted picture. It confirmed that the asteroid's surface was far more complex than initially assumed. A layered composition of dust, rock, and metal, held together by forces not yet fully understood. Moreover, the experiment revealed that the energy from the impact dissipated in unpredictable ways, sparking discussions about the limits of our current predictive models. In the wake of this bold mission, scientists were compelled to re-examine their strategies and refine the theories that underpin our approach to cosmic threats. As we venture deeper into the narrative, it's important to recognize the human element behind this extraordinary mission. Thousands of scientists, engineers, and support personnel worked tirelessly behind the scenes, their efforts cloaked in both secrecy and a shared passion for discovery. The tension among these unsung heroes was palpable, and the stakes, as high as they were in the cosmic theater, spurred countless sleepless nights. There were moments when the data faltered, when risk loomed large over every command transmitted to the spacecraft. In these moments of crisis, the resolve of those involved shone through. Each breakthrough, each successful maneuver, became a testament to dedication under pressure. Their silent perseverance transformed every challenge into an opportunity, each obstacle overcome with determination. Behind every calculation and every command sent into the abyss lay the weight of potential consequence, a relentless reminder of the responsibility borne by each team member. Their experiences, often kept under wraps until the mission's success was assured, contribute to the rich tapestry of our collective journey into space exploration. It is they who embody the spirit of human curiosity and our perpetual quest to confront the unknown. What does the success of this mission mean for the future of Earth and its place in the cosmos? The implication of deliberately interacting with an asteroid extends far beyond the confines of a single experiment. In many ways, the mission laid the groundwork for a new era of planetary defense, a proactive stance in mitigating the ever-present threat of cosmic impacts. The mission has sparked a revolution in how scientists and policymakers approach space safety. With each new data point gathered from the asteroid, humanity inches closer to a robust system capable of predicting and deflecting potential hazards before they spiral out of control. This experiment is more than a technical trial. It is a blueprint for survival, a demonstration that prevention, however daunting, is within our grasp. As we look to the future, the legacy of this mission becomes evident. Every small adjustment made to an asteroid's course today may one day prevent a catastrophe tomorrow. NASA's bold act of targeting an asteroid stands as a beacon of hope, a clear indicator that, even in the face of profound cosmic threats, humanity is ready to protect its home. The story of NASA's asteroid targeting mission is one of daring, discovery, and an unwavering commitment to planetary defense. The experiment was not just a test of technology or a theoretical exercise. It was a real-world application of innovative science to safeguard the future of our planet. We witnessed a perfectly orchestrated series of maneuvers that culminated in a collision capable of changing an asteroid's destiny, and, by extension, our own. Through its mysterious and suspenseful narrative, this mission has showcased how scientific exploration can intersect with the thrills of a high-stakes space odyssey. The lessons learned extend beyond the realm of academic inquiry. They serve as a powerful reminder that every technological leap carries with it the promise of survival and the potential to defy the odds. In unearthing the rationale behind NASA's decision to target the asteroid, we come to understand that this mission was designed both as a safeguard and a lesson. It is a stark illustration of the fine line between cosmic curiosity and existential threat, a narrative where every decision echoes with the possibility of redemption or ruin. The impact of this mission is multifaceted. It informs future strategies in the face of potential asteroid threats, enriches our understanding of the cosmos, and inspires generations to dream big, even when those dreams lead to the edge of space. As you reflect on the gripping journey we've explored today, remember that in the battle between cosmic chaos and human ingenuity, knowledge is our most potent weapon. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling exploration of NASA's audacious mission to target an asteroid, a mission that stands as both a safeguard for our planet and a beacon of human determination in the face of the unknown. What began as a daring experiment has unfolded into a pivotal chapter in our collective pursuit of understanding the universe. The secrets uncovered today pave the way for a future where mankind is better prepared to defend itself against cosmic threats and continue its journey among the stars. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of space exploration, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We have many more intriguing space documentaries coming your way. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and until next time, keep reaching for the stars.